Hi, this is Jake with Tuff Stuff Overland at the Overland Expo Pacific Northwest. We as a company are out of Southern California and Ontario, and general overland equipment. We do awnings, we do camp lighting, and we do rooftop tents. I'm here to tell you about our Alpha 2 hardshell rooftop tent. This here is a very compact tent. It's 140 pounds all in. You can have it deployed within about 2 minutes, have it packed up in 3 to 4 minutes. Extremely convenient, totally sealed from all the weather and the elements. We offer a couple different accessories for it. We have an insulation kit if you're camping in the snow, and we offer a full annex room that attaches to the front and encloses the ladder. Regarding the annex for the Alpha 2 that you see here, the attachment points would be this zipper track right over the entryway, and on the back side you would run it through the channel here. So the lighting that comes with the tent by default, interior and exterior, your exterior lighting stays inside of the annex.
Oh, that's lighting right there.
Yep.
Okay.
And this will toggle between white and amber.
And where do you power it?
There's a USB right on the inside of the tent, so you have a light strip on the inside of the tent and 2 on the exterior. So you can control which color you want, and interior, exterior, on, off, dimmable.
I heard, does the Annex have a floor? Or?
Yep, Annex has a floor all the way through. You have a doorway here on the back of the Annex in case you need to get into the vehicle itself, so you can access the second door.
That's weird. So it seems like a floor would be harder to work with, but people are telling me no, that's what you want.
You want that floor that keeps all the elements out. I've been in every situation you could imagine and have yet to have a water issue of any kind.
Okay.
So over here on the entryway of the tent, we include a storage bag and a shoe bag, both of which slide into that same track that the Annex would slide into on the front side. You have storage covers, weather covers on the front of them just in case it rains. On the bottom of the shoe bag you have vents, so if you have wet boots or shoes, they'll drain right out. Okay. When you fold the tent up, take all your goods out and they'll just stay on here and fold onto the tent. Okay. When you sandwich it over on itself.
Great.
It also has a ladder cover, so...
Whoa, what is a ladder cover?
It's really for storage, but it could tell people stay out. When you fold the tent up, this covers the ladder from collapsing on itself.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
All right, nice.
And also removable in that same track system that goes all the way around the floor.
Okay, so did we cover the width of this yet? This is a 49 by something?
It's a 59 by 49 by 14. Okay. So 59 length, 49 width, and the height would be 13.5 on the high side. So the shell itself is aerodynamic. Front side of the shell would be around 9 inches. Rear of the shell would be about 13.5, 14 inches.
Okay, so it goes up a little bit in the rear.
Right, which means you keep your bedding inside of the tent.
Oh, you can do that, okay.
Yep, so leave your pillows on. I use the same tent on my 4Runner, and I keep 2 pillows, 2 sleeping bags, and a blanket. You just kind of got to rearrange it and make sure it fits right in there.
Okay, now I see a rain cover. That's not something the customer has to install, it's already on there?
Correct. So as you see it is how the tent comes. All you would have to install are the bags, which come inside the tent when you receive it.
Okay.
Rainfly is attached, however, it's completely removable. Very simple to do. You just pull these guys off. There's a zipper across the top to completely remove it. However, you can unvelcro it, roll it up, and we have ties on the top for it too.
Okay, yeah, it looks easy.
Yeah, and each window on the side has covers, which also have window rods. So you have a window awning on each side as well.
Oh, so you can make, okay, you can build a window awning or leave it like that all rolled
Correct.
out.
Yep.
All right, let me climb inside this bedroom.
Yeah, go for it.
Oh, you got a sunroof in here.
Yeah, we have the skylight up there. On the top of the Rainfly, we include a sky roof. It's a TPU window. You can see through it through all the elements. When you pull off the Rainfly, you have a zippered screen as well as a full zippered cover.
Yeah, it definitely lights it up in here big time. Yeah. Okay, I see that you've got a lot of bags in the back for gear. Let's see how thick this is. Decent sized mattress. I mean, it's pretty, and the material, and I like how the back matches the material. Nice. Is there light? Is there any more lights in here or no?
Yes, there is. Right on the top, right above you on this aluminum pole that you see going over. Okay. There's a light strip and LED lights.
Oh, there's LEDs up there. Okay.
And the LEDs would toggle between white amber, a combo of white and amber, and they're dimmable. So you control the exterior light and the interior light from one USB plug.
And so yeah, you have an outdoor lighting system here. Wow.
Yep. So typically what I'll do is I'll leave the exterior lighting on amber pretty much all night, keep the bugs away. And on the inside, I'll maybe bring it down to a dim white light until I'm ready for bed.
Okay, so in terms of camping in, you know, I guess heavy rain conditions, heavy snow conditions, do you recommend, yes or no? Have you been in these conditions?
Absolutely.
I mean, I know people have different levels of fabric going on, so what do you think?
Sure. This one, I've been in every element and I have yet to have a single leak. We don't get warranty claims on that. That's something we hold strong to. We also include a full insulation kit for this tent. So if you were to be in the heavy snow, the deep, deep cold, it's a quilted material that matches the quilting that you saw on the back wall.
Yeah.
There's a zipper track on the inside which would fully insulate with walls on the inside of your tent. We have a whole array of tents. We have soft shell tents starting at just under $1,000. That's a full soft shell tent. It does take a little more time to set up and close down.
Sure, yeah, it's a manual tent.
Sure.
So, yeah.
And then we range all the way up to our hard shell tents. This would be the Alpha 2. Retails at $2,600, weighs 140 pounds, and you can have it in all 4 seasons. Waterproof material all the way around. We also offer a larger version called the Alpha. Just exactly what you see here, just a scaled up version.
And when you say scaled up, is it 55? Is that what it is?
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay.
So essentially, when you open the larger version, it's a king size or a king size mattress.
Yeah.
So a king size fitted sheet would work well for you in there.
Okay, and where are you personally from?
I'm from Huntington Beach, Southern California.
You're from HB. Okay,
That's
so what do you
me.
think about Bend? Does that mean?
I think it's amazing. The scenery here is incredible. The people are so cool. I've had a great time so far. I'm looking forward to coming back. That's for sure.
Thank you so much.
Absolutely.
All right.
Thank you guys.